What is up, YouTube? Carl here. Welcome to my unboxing vlog. This is the channel where we talk about mostly sneakers, life, and tech. And for this episode, it's neither of the three. Instead, we're going to go with toys. We're going to check out some of the Funko Pops that I recently purchased in the last few weeks. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so because we are in the middle of a giveaway. We're giving away an Ultra Boost sample pair. So click that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, follow me on Instagram, and click the link down below for the rest of the mechanics. Let's get started. I am not a Funko Pop hardcore collector. I am not a Funko Pop expert. I buy Funko Pops that appeal to me, that are part of stories or movies or anime series or TV shows that I love. And I don't collect them so that they raise in value and I sell them later. I unbox them, I display them, and I just love seeing them and, holding them and fiddling around with them. So I'm not your hardcore typical type of Funko Pop collector. So with that out of the way, let's get to some of the Funko Pops that I have with me for this unboxing. The first pop that I want to show you guys is something that I got from Hobby Stock. Hobby Stock is one of the awesome toy stores that you guys can visit here in the Philippines. So this one, I got the LeBron James in the Los Angeles Lakers pop. So this one even comes with a pop protector. So apart from the box has protection because the hardcore fans would really want to keep the condition of the pops and of the box in mint condition because that's what they want to do. They want to collect it. They want it to appreciate in value over the years. Me, I just want to display them without the box because I really think it looks better that way. So again, to all of those die-hard Funko Pop collectors, I apologize. I know that doing this really depreciates the value, but that's how I roll. So yeah, take a look at that. So you have LeBron James with that massive beard with the Los Angeles Lakers, James 23 with the basketball. I can't tell what shoes he's wearing. I'm not sure if this is a LeBron shoe. It actually looks like a Jordan. But yeah, there you have it. This is the first Funko Pop that we have from Hobby Stock. This is LeBron James in the Los Angeles Lakers uniform. Next up is actually the Christmas gift of Sneaker Talk, aka Christian. So as you guys know, he's here in the Philippines and he went with me when I went out shopping for toys. And this is the pop that he got for me. It is the Groot, golden edition. Why Groot? Because I love Groot. If you just take a look at my back over there, I have a bunch of Groot figurines, a bunch of Groot collectibles, and even the potted Groot plant 1:1 figure. So I just love Groot. So Christian, if you're watching this, thanks man. Appreciate the gift. Merry Christmas to you. So let's just pop this one open and see what's inside. I mean, it's pretty straightforward. It's like the potted Groot in gold. So this is what it looks like. It has like a bobblehead effect, so it does move up and down. Wow, I never knew that the metallic versions are so slippery. So yeah, I never knew that. So as in literally, they can literally slip through your hands. So yeah, that's you have it. You have the bobbing head of Groot over there. Woo! And in that gold color, down to the plant, to the pots, and take a look at the detail of the roots. That looks really nice. So this one will be added into the Groot collection at my back. Again, Christian, thanks for this one. Next up, we have a Hot Topic exclusive. I think this is limited edition. This is the Alphonse Elric with kittens from Full Metal Alchemist. I am a huge fan of Full Metal Alchemist. I watched the original series, I watched the Brotherhood series, and I just love the story of the brothers and the struggles that they went through. And I really love this pop because it's my favorite character and he has cats. And as you guys know, I love cats. We have 5 cats. So yeah, it was simply a must cop. So again, it comes with a pop protector. So the box has a box. And then let's just take it out. As you guys can see, it says there Full Metal Alchemist. And then it says they're Hot Topic exclusive. And I'm really excited to be able to collect the rest of the figures in this series, which includes Roy Mustang, Edward Elric, and Winry Rockbell. So let's just take this apart. And I kind of feel criminal to those who are watching, who are diehard Funko Pop fans. I think you guys are freaking out that I'm doing this. But hey, it's my money, man. So let's just keep on doing this. So wow, man, this is really nice. So this is the pop. As you guys can see, it has Alphonse in his familiar armor with that really cute look on his face. that crumpled up smile that he has, and those big white eyes. I just love the quality of the build of this particular pop because it feels solid, it feels premium, and at the same time, I just really love those two cats that he's carrying here. They look so cuddly and so cute. And there's even like one more cat that's sleeping that comes in the box. So it comes with a total of 3 cats. So let me just let that focus for a bit so you guys can see. So again, it comes with 3 cats inside the box. So this is the Full Metal Alchemist Hot Topic exclusive Alphonse Elric. Before I get to the next pop, I want to give it a little bit of context by showing you one of my previous pops, and this one is Daenerys with Drogon, of course from Game of Thrones, which I assume most of you are also fans of. So as you guys can see, it is a 2-part pop. You have Daenerys over here, then you have the dragon figure over here. The quality is amazing, the level of detail, down to the face, to the eyes, to the teeth, to the scales of the dragon is just really something else. And even the way that Daenerys is dressed is just perfect, and it really captures that one of those really awesome moments from the TV series. Now, I've been really wanting to get more figures like this of like a character in a dragon, and it just so happens that I think it was a few weeks or a few months back, they released this pop. This one is Night King and Icy Viserion. Of course, spoiler alert. Well, I'd like to think that most of you who are watching this already watched it. So the dragon died and the Night King raised it, so it's now his mount. So let's just pop this one open. Start with the Night King. So this is what he looks like in all of his spiky glory with this. I never knew that his brain or his top of his head looked like this. It looks so weird. But yeah, with his big blue eyes and his armor and the way that he's supposed to ride the dragon. Then you have Viserion, the undead version, the ice version. So it's amazing because they were able to capture a lot of the small details from like the holes on his wings. If you take a look at that, you see a lot of holes and perforations along his wings on both sides of the dragon. And I just love the way they were really able to capture the face, the style, and the overall look of this particular piece. So then you just put the pop on top, like so. And there you have it. This is it, guys. This is the Ice King, or the Night King, sorry, with Icy Viserion from Pop from the Game of Thrones. Now, a few more pops to share with you guys. I'm a huge fan of Up. So it is an animated movie, and I have 2 of the most iconic characters in the series. We have Carl, which is the old guy, and you have Russell, which is that Boy Scout dude in the movie. Now, if you haven't watched Up yet, do yourself a favor and watch it ASAP. It is some sort of like tearjerker, amazing story, amazing lessons to be learned from that movie. Lastly, of course, I did actually an unboxing of this one, but I have another one. This is Jollibee. Jollibee, of course, is one of the most iconic, Filipino characters or personalities from the Philippines. He probably, I don't know if he rivals Manny Pacquiao, but he's definitely one of the most loved characters here in the Philippines. So you have the Jollibee Funko Pop over here. So yeah, guys, that's it for this vlog. I know that it's very simple and it's nothing too complicated. It's just me sharing with you guys some of the Funko Pops that I picked up in the last few weeks. I hope you're all having a great week, and I hope that you all have a fantastic weekend ahead. Peace, God bless, what's up, boom.